Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'll be sharing a recipe for this delicious creamy shells pasta with ground beef. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some ground beef. I'll be using some shells pasta, but feel free to use any pasta of choice. I have some smoked gruyere cheese and some sharp cheddar. I'll be using some marinara sauce, heavy cream, a can of cream of chicken soup, and I have some bell peppers, garlic, onions, parsley. For the seasoning, I have garlic and onion powder, beef bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and some seasoned salt. Let's get into the recipe. So first things first, I have a pot of boiling water. I will add some salt, then I add my pasta, give it a stir and allow it to boil until it reaches your desired texture. Now to a preheated skillet, I will add my ground beef, and you want to cook this until it's nice and brown. I like to add my seasoning while the meat is still raw so that it can penetrate inside of the meat and give it that nice flavor. So here I will add a tablespoon of fresh green seasoning. If you don't have green seasoning, you can omit it. I will go in with my dry seasonings as well. Give everything a good mix until it's fully combined and allow to cook until the meat is thoroughly done. Next, I will add my aromatics, bell pepper, garlic, and onions. Give it a good stir and allow those to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Now we will follow up with our marinara sauce. I will also add about 1/3 of a cup of beef broth here just to get the juices going. We will cover this and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. So after 10 minutes, you want to introduce your heavy cream into the pot, give it a stir, and then we'll follow up with a half a can of the cream of chicken soup. If you want to add the whole can, go right ahead, but half will be perfect in this dish. It will make the dish creamy. It will give it flavor where you don't have to add any more of those dry seasonings, and it is just perfect. It elevates this dish to perfection. So once that is added, you want to follow up with your cheese. Give those a stir to allow it to melt, and then the last thing you will add is your pasta and garnish with your fresh parsley, and that's basically it. It is all done in 30 minutes. You can serve this up and enjoy. The kids will definitely enjoy this. They are out of school, and you know kids, they love anything that's cheesy and pasta and all that stuff. This is a kid-friendly dish, so you don't have to worry. Now if you want, you can add some spinach in here or a little bit of broccoli just to get those veggies in there, and it will still be amazing. So here you have it, the most delicious creamy pasta with ground beef. So give this recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.